Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of a new launch product by Sivanna, which is their face makeup studio face sculpt kit. It has got amazing shades, and if you want to know how you can use this palette, then please keep on watching. So first of all guys, the Sivanna products are pretty much available at amazon.in, and the only sole dealer of Sivanna products are Charis Enterprises. They have the authentic product, and yeah, and now I'm going to show you the actual product and also the packaging. So this is how the main packaging looks like. You get three different shades, and I'm going to tell you how you can use this particular palette. And first of all guys, I've got 5 of them. I'm just going to take out everything out of the casing and show it to you guys as well. I have got all the 5 shades with me, and I'm going to show you the one I have already started using it, which is 02. So this is the main packaging of this palette. You get 3 different shades, and at the back you can see the number is mentioned, which is 02. This is your dark shade, which you can use it as a bronzer or a contour shade. Then you have your highlighter, and this particular shade I use it as baking purpose, and also sometimes to conceal my concealer, and also as a compact. So this particular palette, I mean all the palettes works out to be a versatile palette, and you can have a multi uses of all this palette. So I'm going to show you the pigmentation of these shades, which I have already started using it. They are super soft in texture. This is how this shade looks like, which is not to be seen because my camera is not doing justice. Then you have this highlighter shade, which is beautiful shimmery white with pink undertone. And then the last shade, which I said I use it as a baking purpose, and this is that shade. This is how these 3 shades looks like. And so quickly I'm going to show you how you can use it on your face. So I'm going to take this dark shade with a clean brush. I'm going to pick up this dark shade here on my brush. If you can see the amount of product I got on my brush, they are super pigmented, as I said, and they picks up really well on your brush, so you don't need so much of product. So I'm just gonna dust out some bit of it, and then go ahead and show you how I'm going to contour. So I'm going to keep this brush in an angle like so, and go ahead and create a line. Do the same on this side as well, and leave it like this. If you can see, a line has been created. Basically I'm trying to contour my face. I'm going to take this clean powder brush and go ahead and blend everything so there is no harsh line to be seen. Just go ahead and do this. If you can see, this completely blends in. I really like the quality. I'm going to repeat the same on the other end as well. So this is how it looks. I really like it, and I'm going to take this highlighter shade with the same angular brush and go ahead and highlight wherever I want to. And this also picks up huge amount of product, and let's dust out because I don't need so much. I'm not applying this last shade because I already have a compact on my face, so yeah, I'm not gonna use this one. But yeah, if you're using a concealer, then you can definitely take this shade for baking purpose. It works out to be really nice. So I'm gonna show you one by one the shades which I have it with me. So these are the shades guys. I really like the pigmentation, I really like the quality, quantity, and also the price affordability. They are super affordable. Please check out the description box for the product link. They are available at Amazon, as I said, and they are available through Charis Enterprises. And yeah, with that said, I shall see you guys in some other video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.